In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Microsoft Teams version. Whether you're using Teams for work, study, or connecting with friends and family, knowing your version can be quite useful, especially when troubleshooting or ensuring compatibility with new features. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you're going to want to open the Teams application on your computer. If you're using Windows, you can do this by clicking on the Start menu and searching for Microsoft Teams. Alternatively, if you're on a Mac, you can find it in your Applications folder. Once you have the application open, make sure you're logged into your account. Now, in the upper right corner of the Teams window, you'll see your profile picture or initials. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. This menu houses a number of useful options related to your account and settings. With that menu open, direct your attention towards the Settings option in the list. Go ahead and click on Settings to bring up the Settings window. This is where a lot of the magic happens in Teams, allowing you to customize your experience and manage different aspects of the app. Once in the Settings window, you'll need to look for a section labeled About, which is typically located on the left side panel. Clicking on About will then present you with a few options, the first of which is usually Version. Click on Version, and you should see the details about the current version of Microsoft Teams that you have installed. This might include not just the version number but sometimes even the latest release date, which is handy to know. Understanding your version can be helpful if you're encountering issues or wondering why certain features are not available to you. In some cases, certain features are only available in newer versions, so keeping up to date can enhance your team's experience. If you find you're not on the latest version, consider checking for any updates. Microsoft Teams doesn't always update automatically, so staying proactive by manually checking can ensure you're not missing out. To do that, go back to the Settings menu, and there, look for the Check for Updates option. Clicking this will prompt Teams to check for and download any available updates. Remember, updating frequently not only brings the latest features but also often includes fixes for known issues and security improvements. So there you have it, a straightforward way to check what version of Microsoft Teams you're running and ensure that you're always up to date. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.